Jaden. Jada. Hey baby, come here. Jaden. This is the kitchen. Little laundry room right over here. It's very nice. Goes into the dining room over here. Here comes Jaden. Hi. Hi, baby. This is the living room over there. Pool's out there. You can't really see it. Here's Dad's office. There's little baby Jade. Hi, baby Jade.
It's so sleepy too, huh? Yep.
Hi, baby Jade. Pino is out.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Let's look at Pino on her little bed. Cute as can be. Good little doggy. Here's the door to the pool. Cherie making her bed. This is Rover. I like to call him Rufus though. This is right out the kitchen. And this is Jenny and Jaden's room. And Dad is in the bathroom, probably pooping again. You can see the pool from our room too. There it is. I hear little Jade following me. Jaden? Hi, Jaden. Hi, pretty baby. Come over here. Back up and try again. There you go.